What's up, YouTube? My name is Jeff, and you are watching the NYC Corvette channel. And today, Matt Max and I are going to show you how to change a car tire. The first step is to get the vehicle on level, firm ground. You want to have your front wheels straight, lined up with the body of the car. Next thing, you want to be out of the flow of traffic for safety reasons. We want to keep the car from rolling. So if you're changing the front tire, what you want to do is pull the emergency brake handle, and that will lock the rear brakes and it will stop the car from rolling back when you lift it up. If you're changing the rear tire, what you want to do is put something in the opposite corner of where you're lifting the tire to keep the front end from moving. Next, you're going to open the trunk where we're going to locate the spare tire, the jack, the lug wrench, and any accessories like wheel lock keys that we need to change our tire. I have all my items that I need to change the tire located right here. I've positioned the spare tire towards the middle of the car because as we jack it up, we're going to slide the spare underneath the car to where half of the spare is sticking out because these scissor jacks have been prone to fall. And if it does fall, it'll fall on the spare tire and it'll allow you to reposition the jack and get the car up. And our next step is to take the lug wrench. Now, normally you'll have this little guy, and what you're going to do is you're going to just loosen all of the lug nuts that are on the wheel so that when you jack the car up, you can finish removing the wheel from the car. You're not going to make them all the way loose. You're just going to loosen them up enough to be able to spin them off when you get the car up in the air. You turn the lug wrench left to loosen the lug nuts, right to tighten the lug nuts. And I carry this 4-way lug wrench. The reason being is because it allows you better leverage on when you have to for taking these lug nuts off. This is the wheel lock key. And some cars, especially the newer cars with nicer wheels, have one. Always carry this. Make sure you carry this in the car with you. So with the lug nuts loosened, now we're ready to jack the car up. Now, placement of this jack is very important. On these modern vehicles, there's a pinch weld that runs from the front of the car to from the back of the front wheel to the front of the rear wheel. And there's a little notch in that pinch weld, and that's where you would place the jack on either sides of the pinch weld. One of the things you want to do is you want to make sure that your jack is at a 90-degree angle to the ground. If you have it slanted forward or slanted backwards, what's going to happen is the weight of the car as you lift it up is going to shift, and this jack will fall, and the car will fall with it once you take this tire off. Okay, next we're going to take this crooked piece here, this little rod that has a hook on the end. We're going to hook it right here. And this makes a crank. So we're going to turn this to the right. And as we turn it to the right, it's going to raise the car. Now, as we get the car up in the air, what we want to do is slide. As you can see, I'm sliding the spare tire underneath. So this way, if the car falls or comes down, it'll come down on the spare tire and it'll give me an opportunity to reposition the jack. Now the wheel is high enough off the ground to get the tire off. Tire's back on. And I'm going to take the wheel lock off. Set a base, grab 2 of the spokes, lift. You can also use your legs to kind of take some of the weight. Then we're going to switch it with the spare. We're going to take our spare, bring it here, switch our flat tire, and put it there for safety. Now we're ready to put our spare tire on the car. What you have to do is line these holes up in the wheel to the lug nuts so that they'll go on easy. There, it's on. I'm going to hand tighten all of these as far as I can get them for now. All right, so those are on pretty secure. So now what we're going to do is just get these tight enough so that when you lower the car, the wheel's not going to fall off or get hung up on the wheel studs. Ugh. And as you can see, the jack failed. And what happened? Our safety implement held. So, okay, I've gotten the car down safely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish tightening these lug nuts. If you liked this video and you found it valuable, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and do leave a comment because it helps the channel as well as the community to grow. This has been Jeff with the NYC Corvette channel, and I'll see you running the streets.